Welcome back to Irish Old School Tumblers. This is just a quick update on how my first round is going. As you can see, they're up at savage height. Good few of them tumbling away. Just reset the camera, zoom on it now just to show you. Some great tumbles there now of a few of them. Two broke away there, so yeah, there's some good ones tumbling there now, alright. The other two are tumbling over there, so I'm just going to try and keep it on this main batch of them. As I said, it's just a quick video to show you how they're going. It's a lovely height there now. It's exactly where I want them. Tower there. Yeah, they're gone on. There is 17 birds in total now. 3 were eliminated. Them birds are gone way over there now. Can I get them in on this shoffy? I'm not even sure if that's picking that up. You'll have to forgive me. Oh, I see them barely. No, that's not going to be good viewing for you. They're way over there. They're literally gone outside. I'll bring this back to 1. We have 2 here that seem to have broke away from the kit. So this is just to show you in real time what's happening here. Now I know one of them is tumbling and one of them is only starting. Hopefully the other kit comes back into sight now and I'll be able to show you them again, but for now we'll just have to look at these two. That red and white one is really making great effort to tumble. Where are they? It's a good sign when you have to look for them anyway, that's for sure. They're not sitting on the roof. Interesting to see which way they come back now. Ah yeah, that red and white one's after getting himself over there. Oh yeah, there they are. God, they are up some height. I'm trying to see them there now, sorry. Yep, they're going that way. There they are. That's incredible. Absolutely incredible. I really hope you can see them, because I have a glare off the phone screen, so I hope I'm picking them up for you. But that's fantastic. They're gone the far side again. That's unbelievable. I'm behind that tree now, so we'll see. Now that's the far side of the town. That's brilliant flying. I'll just bring it now. Yeah, I still have them. They are up some height. I'm going to bring it back to 1 just to show you. Look at that. Unreal. Well, they're going into the sun on me now. So again, I hope I'm catching them for you. I'm getting dizzy now. Oh God. That's a brilliant sight to see. You can see there's about 4 or 5 of them there working away. And just for anyone that's new to the channel, these are only young birds, by the way. These are not old birds, these are young birds, this year's birds. So they're absolutely incredible for what they're doing. They're gone out of sight now again. These two just decided to break away and do their own thing, so I'll be watching them. But to be fair, one of them is tumbling away. So again, I give them time. The other ones I eliminated, just were given plenty of time, but they weren't interested in flying that long. You see the way when they're not in the kit they start acting differently, you know. As I said, this is completely, there you go, there's a good tumble, unscripted, all there to see. There they are there now, look. And as you can see, one of them tried to land up there in the tree. But yeah, if they were in the main kit, wouldn't do that. You know? Look at that. Absolutely brilliant. So yeah, not all of my birds are perfect either. Nah, you'll get over. Sick of again. One is rejoining the kit there because that's been tumbling away. They're getting down lower now. The other two will be interested to see now, will they join them or will they refuse and just want to do their own thing? No, they're gone back into it. So yeah, coming up to 10 minutes there now this video is. So I'm just conscious of the phone memory as usual. They were flying for about, I'd say they were flying for about 10 minutes before I started the video, maybe a little bit longer, but they'll continue doing that now for, as I said, I can get 30-40 minutes out of them, an hour if I want, but half an hour plenty, because I have to then let out the second kit, which is another half an hour. I have the third round to be weaned as well, so when they get going, that's another half an hour, and the fourth round is hatching as well, so there's another half an hour when the time comes, you know. So there's 2 hours out of your evening, and it's longer than that as well when you have young birds out and they're messing around and stuff like that. I'm sure a lot of you totally understand where I'm coming from. It's a lot of work, but it is worth it, especially when you see birds getting up like that high and tumbling away. So it'll be nice to see when more of them start tumbling as well, you know, you get more of a show. But again, remind you, these are this year's birds, so they're only young birds. But as for the 3 that were eliminated, no, they just didn't want it. They really started to show themselves for what they were, you know, dropping out of kit. All healthy birds, by the way, no sicknesses, no nothing, all wormed, all getting as much food as they want in the evenings. So in other words, 0 excuses. So that kit is now 17 from 20. And if it needs to get down more, it will. You know, that kit could end up being 10. We'll see as time goes on. They start to show what they're made of and what they're not made of. Only the best is going to survive here, simple as that. I have a lot of birds this year, so I have a lot of birds to see what's good and what's bad. And by God, there'll be bad ones, that's for sure. But I see every year though it is getting better, without a doubt. You know, every year the quality is better, the performance is better. Slowly but surely getting there. So yeah, it's a lovely evening for flying them. Really is. It was very bad earlier on. I didn't think I was going to get them out this evening. It was raining that much, so typical Irish weather. So yeah, they'll play around like that for as long as I want them. Same routine, call them in, that's it, job done, as you've all seen before. So again, I don't like posting up very repetitive videos, but I will keep you posted as best I can. I intend to do another video of the third round when I wean them over into the kit box, just to give you a quick look at them, so you can have a look and see what you think. There might be some favourites in there, even though I don't like doing favourites, but you might like them. So yeah, I let them go ahead and I leave it at that. So again lads, to all the subscribers and followers, thanks very much. I really appreciate it for sticking with me. And remember, as I always say, keep it old school.